Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a spring flower soap with the cold process soap method. So let's get started. First step is to combine the lye solution and the oils, and you will find the exact recipe down in the description box if you want to use this exact recipe. I am soaping very cool since this fragrance oil is a floral and tends to accelerate trace quite a bit. So I'm just adding the lye water solution to the oils, and then I give it a stick blend just to emulsion for the same reason. You can see it's really very fluid still, which is good. I'm now splitting off the batter in 3 parts so I can color the parts differently to make the design that I have in mind. This is actually a custom order for somebody who specifically wanted these colors and this particular fragrance oil. I'm using really red pigment pre-mixed with oil. This is a pigment for nurture soap. And some titanium dioxide to make it a little lighter pink in the bigger portion of the soap here. And in the third container I am adding Harlequin Shimmer Mica that doesn't need pre-mixing, so I can add it directly to the soap batter. I'm mixing the color in with the use of the stick blender, starting from the lightest color so I don't need to clean the blender between uses. I need this to be a little bit lighter, so I usually do this step by step, like I add colors step by step, because you can never take it back. I'm moving on to the darker pink, so you can clearly see a difference. Make it even a little bit darker. And then the green, it's a beautiful green. This is from You Make It Up. And here, if I add a little bit more of titanium dioxide, it will make the green a little bit more pastel-y. It's now time to add the fragrance oil, and I want to move really quick now. I am just using a spatula to mix in the fragrance. You just want to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated and scraped the sides of the jugs very well. We are now ready for the pour. Here is my 5-pound mold from Brambleberry with a silicone liner that I absolutely love, and I'm going to pour the majority of the lighter pink part in. You will find all the ingredients, tools and equipment that I'm using or that I'm recommending down in the description box or in my Amazon store linked down below. Then I'm adding the other colors. Try to pour from a bit up high so that it can penetrate the layer. Give it a little shake to even it out. And then with the back of the spoon I do a circular motion along the entire soap mold to create a flower kind of swirl. I think the color combination is really cool. I'm adding the remaining soap on top so that I can create a little design. With the help of a chopstick, I swirl the top with a figure 8 type motion. There are many possibilities how you can create your top designs, and I'm gonna have a video very soon here on my channel going over exact that aspect of soap making. So stay tuned if you're interested. I would like to add a little bit of glitter, just a little dust on top. This is biodegradable glitter. It's a white type of silvery glitter, very nice. Then I spritz the top with rubbing alcohol, and the only thing left to do is to wait for 24 hours to take it out of the mold. It's the next day and we want to have a look if the soap is ready to come out by checking if it releases easily from the silicone. And you can see from the airlock breaking in the back if it's ready. And if it's not, just leave it 1 or 2 days longer. There is no need to rush. This time I didn't use sodium lactate, but it seems firm enough. Looks like the fragrance oil moves so quickly you don't need sodium lactate. I will cut the soap immediately, and I like to use a soap cutter for this as I have difficulties to cut straight and uniformly. Some soap makers use a good knife or a single bar cutter where you can vary the width. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in more soap making videos or skincare DIY, consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you around very soon here for another video, and in the meantime I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!